I'd like to thank the Honorable Associate Chief Justice Holmes for her fairness in the whole legal proceedings. I also appreciate the Crown for their professionalism and the Canadian government for upholding the rule of law.
Huawei's chief financial officer spoke in front of the Vancouver courthouse where a judge ended her extradition case. The ruling came just hours after the request for her extradition was withdrawn in a U.S. court. Just before that, Meng Wanzhou had been arraigned on and pleaded not guilty to several fraud and conspiracy charges. Meng Wanzhou appeared by video at this federal courthouse in Brooklyn where she entered into the deferred prosecution agreement. Here's what it said. The DPA will last until December 2022, after which charges against her will be dropped. Meng was accused of violating U.S. sanctions against Iran. The deal allows Meng to deny guilt for key charges, but leaves room for the U.S. to continue to pursue its case against Huawei.
The client gets to go home to her family.
Lawyers on both sides said very little about how the deal was reached. In a statement after Friday's back-to-back decisions, Canada's Department of Justice said, Canada is a rule of law country. Meng Wanzhou was afforded a fair process before the courts. As for Meng, she had some words for Canadians.
I'm also grateful to Canadian people and the media friends for your tolerance. Sorry for the inconvenience caused.
A private jet believed to be carrying the tech executive took off from Vancouver International Airport Friday night. The plane is headed for Shenzhen, where Huawei's headquarters are located. Chris Reyes, CBC News, New York.